Inspired by album featuring
Yeah.
exclusive music from
Laisse tourner sur
Nas,
place.
Lil Wayne,
Où sont les sourires au pied de nos tours? C'est pour les rêveurs qui ont des nuits plus belles que nos jours.
by album available now.
Lyriciste bande.
Yeah. Concrete bricks, bulletproof vest. So proud of these walls that I built to defend and protect this bold heart, this bold heart. But the way you marched into my home, not few, big army with the weapon on your arm. Yes, you struck straight with your cold heart, your cold heart.
I'm like Nat, I'm like Nat. I'm a man of God, but where is Christ at? And even though my name is Nas, I am like Nat. Is this me declaring war, white flags? I now know why I was even born, to strike back. A full moon up in the sky, that's a sign that it's time to get my liberation. The perfect configuration is the birth of a nation. Midwife black, mother, father Caucasian, my blood Indian native. So now I'm contemplative being like Nat. About to show you what I'm made of. I'm what races are afraid of. No mule in the 40 acres. And despite that, watch out for the traitors. And when they say make America great again, do they may make us